everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be getting my life together. I'm feeling really disorganized. I just haven't taken the time to really deep clean my apartment. I feel like I've been doing a lot of vlogs recently of like cleaning, getting organized, self-care. I hope that this isn't repetitive. Definitely let me know if you like these types of videos. I personally love watching these types of videos, and I also like filming them because it kind of helps me be more productive. Definitely comment below and let me know if you like watching these videos, if you'd like me to do more of them or less of them, if you'd like to see something else instead. I love reading your guys' feedback and comments, so please comment below. Also, please thumbs up if you do like these videos, or even thumbs up if you don't like these videos. Just give it a thumbs up if you like my videos in general. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Basically, I just need to get my life together. I need to do some planning. I need to do some cleaning. I'm gonna get my nails done. I've just been feeling very disorganized lately and kind of in a little bit of a slump. Like, I'm just not very motivated right now. The first thing that I'm gonna do is just kind of finish up. I have a few emails that I need to reply to. That's kind of what I was working on. And then I'm gonna get started with the cleaning. I'm gonna do a little time-lapse cleaning, and hopefully if you need to clean as well, that will be motivating. It is a little bit later. It took me a lot longer than I thought to clean. My apartment is looking so clean. My room is looking so clean. My kitchen is looking so clean. Everything is so clean and fresh. It is the next day. I just got a coffee. So good. Now I'm about to go to my nail appointment. I think I'm gonna do green nails. I was kind of thinking about doing nude or maybe lilac. Not really sure. So we'll see what I end up doing. I'm super indecisive. I literally can't decide. I think I'm gonna get a new set this time. These are super grown out, so I'm gonna have her take this set off and just do all fresh nails. It's good every few months to get a whole new fresh set. I think I'm gonna get a fresh set. I'm also gonna get my lashes filled. Also, this morning I woke up to a clean apartment and it was so nice. I felt so good. There is just something about having a clean apartment. It's been very messy for a while. I definitely recommend taking the time to do that. Felt like I had my life together just because everything was done. I also got like all of my laundry done, so there wasn't a bunch of laundry that I knew I needed to put away. It felt so good. Now I'm gonna get my nails done. I'm actually so excited to just have like a fresh color on here. Also, I was very productive this morning. I got a lot of stuff done. I'm just gonna go into my nail appointment and I'll show you guys what they look like after. This cute kind of green color. I thought it would be super cute for spring. I also got my lashes filled. Now I'm feeling really fresh. My friend Kylie had the same nail appointment as me, so we got to like hang out while we were getting our nails done, so that was super fun. I think I'm just gonna head home and get a little bit of work done. I actually have a little bit of content planning and editing to get done. It is a little bit later. I was just filming some Instagram content, some little unboxing and hauls and try on clips. My sister is actually in town and I was gonna do a bunch of like editing and get some work done. We're gonna go to a coffee shop tomorrow and just like be really productive and get some work done. I was gonna end the vlog here. I think we're gonna do that tomorrow. It is the next day. Lauren is here. We're gonna go to a coffee shop and be productive. I'm gonna edit and Lauren's gonna do some schoolwork. It's gonna be a really good day. We are treating ourselves to McDonald's breakfast this morning. It's kind of our tradition when Lauren's in town. We love a good bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit and hash brown. It's true. Show my vlog your bun.
Found this bun on TikTok. It's like a braid, and then you knot the braid around to make a bun. I think so.
I totally forgot to end this vlog, but I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at emilygrace.26. I love taking the time to get organized, clean, plan. The day that my sister and I went to the coffee shop, I got a lot of work done. I was feeling so organized. I love taking a couple days to just kind of get my life together. I hope you guys are feeling motivated after watching this. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple days for my next video.